Hello, good evening to all of you. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. This is Rajib Datta in front of you. I took on the 100 video challenge in 100 days. Dear listeners, I'm still learning English. Please forgive me if I make any mistakes. My today's topic is about traffic jam. Traffic jam is a very common problem in our daily life, especially in big cities like Dhaka. It happens when too much vehicles stay on the road and the same time and cannot move easily. Because of traffic jams, people reach late to their offices, schools and hospitals, and it causes a lot of stress and tiredness. A student miss classes, patients suffer, and workers lose valuable time. The main reason for traffic jam are narrow roads, too many vehicles, poor traffic rules, illegal parking, and lack of proper traffic management. Traffic jams also cause air and noise pollution, which is harmful to our health and environment. People waste fuel and time while staying stuck on the road. To reduce traffic jams, we should follow traffic rules, use public transport, and improve route planning. If everyone becomes more careful and responsible, traffic jam problems can be reduced, and city life can become easier and more comfortable. Thanks for listening patiently. See you in the next video. Goodbye for today.